Hello bestie, welcome back again to the channel. Today my name is Jenny. If this is your first time seeing this face, you're highly welcome. So this is the house of Chris Jenny. In this channel we deal on lifestyle vlogs and valuable content, okay? And please, there is something else I want to say. A lot of you are not watching my videos. Why? You are just subscribing, you are not watching. Please try and watch these videos. All the videos on this channel, please watch it. Thank you guys. So I have something to say, and it's very, very important, especially to all our soulmates in the house. Tailors, fashion designers, you have to hear this. Honestly, like seriously speaking, it's very painful to know that a tailor can actually sew a corset perfectly, but he or she does not know how to sew a simple pillow cover. Like simple pillow cover. Hey, Jesus. Today, something happened in the market. I went to the market to buy some stuff for my sewing materials. And on the way, I saw a particular woman that was arguing with a woman selling bedspread and pillow cover and all of this. So they were just having some arguments. When I got there, I was like, what is actually going on? So they started explaining to me that this lady wants to get a pillow cover. And the woman selling the pillow cover says she's selling it for 2,500. Then the lady says she wants to buy it for 1,000 naira. You know, Nigerian with all our prices. So the woman selling it says she's not going to sell it for 1,000 naira. That is actually 2,500. Okay. So the lady was like arguing with the woman selling the pillow cover. So I have to call the lady. I say, excuse me, ma, are you a tailor? Unfortunately for her, she said yes, she's a tailor. I said, wow, that is good. But can you sew a corset? She said she can sew a corset. I said, fine. Why can't you sew a pillow cover for yourself? Like seriously, a pillow cover. Why can't you sew it for yourself? And you're here arguing with this woman. And she said, my sister, if I know how to sew this pillowcase or pillow cover, whatever you call it, I would have done so. But I don't know how to stitch or even cut it at all. So I was like, if you can sew a corset, what is pillow cover that you cannot sew? Like, let's ask ourselves, soulmates, what is pillow cover? What is pillowcase? Ordinary, simple, DIY. Like, it's all over the internet. And even most time when you have new students that comes to learn, I think these are one of the things that they will put them through: pillow cover and apron. So this is a must that every new student must know, yes or no. But today I was really, really surprised. You can sew a corset, but you cannot sew pillow cover. Anyway, my soulmates in the house, I'm here to help you out. If you are just like that woman in the market, I'm here to help you out. You don't need to argue anymore, okay? You don't need to spend that 1,000 naira or 2,500 for ordinary, simple pillow cover. So today's video, I'm going to be using this fabric. Okay, so this fabric is not much. I think it's just 1 yard I have here. So I will advise you to also get 1 yard of the fabric. It can be a cotton fabric, it can be a silk fabric, it can be any fabric of your choice. So I will advise you to get a fabric of your choice, okay? You can even use Ankara if you feel you are comfortable with Ankara, okay? So today we are going to be using this fabric to sew a pillow cover. I don't know what I will call this. Is it a sewing vlog or a sewing tutorial? Anyway, whatsoever. So let's go ahead and cut our pillowcase. So guys, this is the fabric. I've gone ahead to fold it into two, and you can see what we are having right here. I'm going to measure out the width of this fabric on fold, okay? And on fold I have 26 inches. You can see what we are having right here. Then the length for this fabric is 18 inches. You can see it right here. Mind you, the measurement on this tutorial are not standard. You can actually increase the measurement or decrease the measurement. It depends on your pillow size, okay? So what I'm going to do next is to go ahead and fold in these edges. You can see the both edges. I'm going to just fold it like this on my sewing machine. So guys, I'm going to have to fold the edges, and you can see what we are having, guys. The next thing I'm going to do is to fold this fabric like this. You can see I'm going to just fold it, making sure that this folded part is actually 20 inches. Okay, like I said earlier, you can increase it or you can decrease it depending on the size of your pillow. Okay, so the upper part, I'm going to measure 5.5 inches. At this upper part, I will advise you to measure out 7 inches or 6.5 inches. Okay, I'm going to insert the upper part inward like this, making sure that this lower part I folded is on top. I hope you understand. So it should overlap by 2 inches. That is what you see me checking at this point. After doing that, I'm going to pin this down like this. Okay, so I'm going to hold it with my pin and I'm going to stitch it up by 1/2 inch at both sides of this fabric. You can see. So guys, I've gone ahead to stitch it down and this is what we are having. You can see how it's looking. So the next thing now to do is to turn this over to the right side. So this is a DIY tutorial, do it yourself. It's very, very easy and straightforward, very simple. Okay, you don't need any much calculation on this. So you can see our pillowcase. I've gone ahead to turn it to the right side and this is how the pillowcase is looking like. You can see. So when I open it up, you can see how the inside is looking like. You can go ahead and weave all the rough edges at the inside of the pillowcase. Okay, so it's as easy as ABC. Instead of wasting money trying to get pillowcase as a tailor, why don't you make this for yourself? You can even resell it. Okay, so guys, this is it. Go ahead and give it a good ironing, and you can also top stitch the sides of this pillowcase so that it can relax properly. So guys, this is how mine came out and you can see how it's looking like. I'm going to insert my pillow into it for us to get a good view of it properly. So guys, this is the pillowcase. You can see how it's looking. You can see how it came out. Very nice, very pretty. This is it. This is actually what they are selling 2.5 in the market. You can see. So if you have a scrap fabric, at least 1 yard, you can just quickly make this for yourself. It does not consume much time. Okay, so guys, this is it. I hope it was helpful. So guys, we are done with the tutorial and this is our beautiful pillow. You can see, this is our beautiful pillowcase, pillow cover. You can see our beautiful pillow cover. Hope you are seeing it clearly, guys. So this is a simple way of making your pillow cover. Okay, like I said earlier, pillows have different sizes, so just work according to your pillow size. Okay, and also if you love DIY tutorials like this, let me know on the comment section. If you want me to bring more of these DIY tutorials on this channel, let me know on the comment section, guys. If you want serious sewing tutorials, go ahead and check my channel, Jennifer Ogbodo TV. That is where we have our serious sewing tutorials. Okay, the only sewing tutorials that I can be bringing down on this channel is DIY tutorials. I hope you understand. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, like and share those videos. Love you, bestie. Bye bye.